So now I'll be presenting you from the makers of the $1 iPhone XR screen, and on the odds, there it is. So apparently it's basically a sticker that's gonna turn any iPhone into an iPhone 17 Pro. And I bought it just to test it. Let's actually open it. And here it is. I had to cover the information up. Original AG Matte Ultra Thin Soft Backplate Phone Case for iPhone 15, 16, 14, 13 Pro Max. Glossy sticker instantly turns 17. This is what it looks like. Let me actually... let's go ahead and... Look how wrinkly it is out of the box. But straight away, it is like a real nice sticker. Let me actually get my 14. So here is... like so. I'm gonna test how it looks, and I'm also gonna test MagSafe functionality because, like, you know, I want to know if it actually works with MagSafe accessories. And look at the janky engineering that we have in the camera plateau here. Wow, plateau actually looks pretty good. I mean, apart from these extra holes, iPhone 17 does not have these here. And here we actually have a fake flash, fake LiDAR sensor, I'm guessing, and a fake microphone. And that black thing you see is just this. Wow. Janky engineering. So double-sided tape can actually fix lots of structural issues. Great. So I'm gonna clean my phone a bit because, you know, I want this to be a professional application. And let's peel it off. I hope these wrinkles don't cause any issues because this does not look very promising. But before we continue, I want to thank today's sponsor, Wondershare Dr.Fone. It's a complete mobile toolkit for data recovery, phone transfers, and system repairs. My favorite use case is for right to repair, like when I buy motherboards or parts and they arrive locked. Dr.Fone helps me regain access so I can recycle old hardware that would otherwise be e-waste. It's a professional grade solution for Android. It supports FRP removal on Android 16 across 30 plus brands like Samsung, Xiaomi, and Oppo. For iPhone, it can remove activation lock from 5S all the way to iPhone 17 series on iOS 26. For right to repair purposes, this phone could have been an e-waste, but now it's no longer. It's a total solution for managing your device data. If you're locked out of a project phone or just need to fix the system issue, check the link in the description to try it out yourself. Anyway, the moment of truth. Let's align it. Alright, let's give it some, like, make it even. Or it's not sticking down very well. It's not confidence inspiring, really. These wrinkles are actually not that noticeable. Or maybe they are. I don't know, who cares? It's got this matte finish, just like real iPhone. So the camera plateau actually looks very good. Like, it looks pretty good, other than having two flashlight LEDs and two LiDAR sensors. This thing is actually very convincing. This is not the greatest quality ever. Look, it doesn't even have the Apple logo. Look, it's not cut out very well. I think someone just cut this out with scissors because look at this. Turn on the flash. Yeah, obviously this one's not gonna turn on, but okay, now let's actually test MagSafe. It sticks pretty well. I mean, this sticker is not that thick, so yeah, I kind of understand. Let's try the MagSafe battery pack. And yeah, even that works. Maybe I shouldn't have done that. Let's test the MagSafe puck. And yeah, that works too. That sticks very well as well. Now, am I gonna be using this? No. I don't want to pretend I have something that I don't. And this doesn't look any good with these. And it's just, I just really like the way the iPhone 14 feels without this sticker. One more thing that I want to test is when you buy this and inevitably decide that you don't like it and remove it, will it leave stain marks? Let's actually test that. That was actually pretty easy. Didn't leave any residues. That's pretty good. I mean it left some schmutz here, but we can just clean it up and yeah, very perfect. Yeah, nothing beats the feeling of actual iPhone 14 and the caseless, the stainless steel and glass. It's pretty good. Alright, so quick little video. I really wanted to see how this looked like and also wanted to hear you guys' opinion about it, so make sure to let me know down in the comments. And yeah, with that, I'll see you in the next one.